Chat, hold your seat. Hold your seat, chat.
What the fuck?
Hold your seat, chat.
Look at Davis, chat.
Hold your seat, chat.
I'm taking it to.
They laughing? I'm cooked? Bro, I just got clear to clean my rooms up, bro.
And they all got all black in artillery. Like what?
Yeah, go to bro.
Nigga, they 48 to you. Oh no, that's something I was thinking like why
to the beach.
So we got 48. Oh my god, bomba crap. We got 48, cuz. Oh my god, bro.
Yo, Ray.
Yo, I just had cleaner, bro. Our bathroom mad clean. Our bathroom is mad clean right now. Bro. I need somebody being San Antonio, some shit like that, Tony Parker house. God damn, mommy. That's something. Nah, don't show it. That shit crazy, cuz. Mommy, you got something to show.
Hold on, that's not even funny, man.
Check, our house getting blow up right now, literally right now. Say bye to our PC.
See that? Nah, I feel like I'm getting 48, bro.
Yo, I feel like
Oh my god, all the MP lives say blown out. David say blow out guys too. Let's just watch this, bro. Come, bro.
I'm out loud.
See right here, bro. So they can see the screen too. Yo, chat. What the?
I was expecting it more if they pulled out crib while we should have chilled. That niggas sent us on vacation like we bad. Like we A&P first ladies bad. They sent all of us on the vacation like we bad. The pulled out crib, they crib out return. All my life, I'm gonna tell us none of that reason. We're blowing up the crib. A&P, y'all niggas is so scared of us. Y'all had to send us to Puerto Rico. Y'all trying to send us to the Bahamas.